Hi guys, Bella speaking. I'm at Berryhead near Brixham in Devon, and I've just lost my Mavic Pro drone. And I would like to summarize you two learning points how to avoid such a similar terrible accident. So what happened? I started off my drone from there, and I lost connection over the sea, and the drone came back, but it missed its starting point with 5 meters, but unfortunately not inland but offland. And I saw the drone going down over the sea and hovering over a piece of rock until the battery ran out, and then it smashed into the water. And I would like to give you two learning points what to watch for when you fly your drone in such an environment. One is you need to choose your starting point further inland. So if the drone misses the starting point even with a couple of meters, then you are still safe. This is number one. And number two, I was thinking about yesterday evening whether download the footage from the previous days, but I said today is the last day and I'm gonna download it in one go. Guys, we need to download our footages every night, because especially if you droning over the sea, you can lose your drone. And it was a very reliable drone. Never ever happened that it lost connection. I restarted my app, I restarted the remote control, I did my best. I watched it for 5 more minutes until it lost power, and I saw smashing it into the sea, and that's it. So guys, number one, find a starting point inland, 10 meters, 5 meters, and download all your footage when you have a chance. So bye bye my drone, rest in peace. Not in pieces for sure, because I saw it was in one piece when it sunk. Bye for now guys.